Okay, so for vocabulary, we have 3 words that we're focusing on this week. You have variable, greatest common factor, and the distributive property. So I gave you the definitions and I gave you the examples. So you're just now matching the word to the definition and example. So the first one says multiplying of a sum or difference by a number that will produce the same result of a multiplying each number in the sum or difference by a number, then adding or subtracting the products. So that's like when you take your number outside your parentheses and put it inside to the numbers, you distribute it to the numbers on the inside. So like our trick-or-treating example. So that would be variable, greatest common factor, or the distributive property. And the winner is the distributive property. Okay, a letter that represents an unknown. So is that variable or greatest common factor? We talked about it yesterday in our live instruction. And we talked about it on Monday in our live instruction. So a letter that represents an unknown number is called the variable. And then the biggest number that will divide two or more other numbers exactly is the greatest common factor. Okay, and that's your vocab for today.